Ever wonder how doctors spot those tiny, sneaky polyps during a colonoscopy? It's like searching for a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is your intestines, and missing that needle could mean big trouble. But here's the good news. Scientists are using AI to turn this tricky task into a high-stakes game of detection, and it's changing the game for early cancer detection. Let's break it down. Polyps are small growths in the colon that can become cancerous over time. The problem? They're really hard to see. Some are tiny, flat, or hidden in folds of tissue. Even the most skilled doctors can miss them, especially during fast-paced procedures. That's where AI steps in, acting like a super-smart sidekick. The secret weapon. A system combining two powerful tools, Local Outlier Factor, LOF, and YOLO V11N. Let's unpack that. LOF is like a data detective. Imagine you're looking at thousands of colonoscopy images. Most are clear, but some are blurry, distorted, or just weird. LOF flags those strange images, cleaning up the data so the AI can learn from the best examples. It's like filtering out the noise, so the model can focus on the critical details. Then comes YOLO V11N, a super-fast object detector. Think of it as a traffic camera that can spot cars in a crowd instantly. In this case, it's trained to spot polyps in real time, even during a live procedure. The researchers tested it on thousands of images from 5 datasets, but here's the twist. These images didn't come with ready-made labels. So they converted detailed pixel-level maps of polyps into simple, bounding boxes, digital sticky notes that tell the AI exactly where to look. To make sure the model was rock solid, they used a 5-fold cross-validation approach. It's like testing a recipe in 5 different kitchens to ensure it works everywhere. They also tweaked LOF to remove 5% of the noisiest data points, using 30 neighboring data points to spot anomalies. The result? A model that's not just accurate but lightning fast. And the numbers? Let's talk results. The system achieved 95.83% precision, meaning it's almost always right when it spots a polyp. 91.85% recall means it catches most polyps that are there. Combined with a 93.48% F1 score, a balance of precision and recall, this beats previous YOLO models. Plus, it's efficient enough to run on real-time systems without lag. Why does this matter? In a clinical setting, every second counts. This framework could help doctors catch more polyps during procedures, reducing missed cases and improving patient outcomes. It's a perfect blend of smart data cleaning and cutting-edge AI, proving that even in complex medical tasks, simplicity and speed can go hand in hand. So the next time you hear about AI in healthcare, remember, it's not just about fancy algorithms. It's about saving lives, one tiny polyp at a time.